Okay, look at the size. When the height is just like this, short. When the size is like this, tall. Short, tall. Now tell me, the height, what is it? Hey. I will change your seat. When teacher, the height of the teacher, we call it as tall. The height of who? Short. Okay, and someone just stop it. Again, teacher, tall. Who? Short. Okay, just only an example, the difference of the size. Short, tall. Short, tall. Everyone, say it. Teacher? Tall or short? Tall, short. Teacher, tall, who? Short. Say it. I said tall or short. One more time. Tall, short. Say it. Tall.